up, guys? So I woke up at 4 a.m. this morning. We're headed to Yosemite to go do the Grand Tour Trail. If you're not familiar with that trail, it's a combination of the 4-mile trail getting to Glacier Point, down the Panorama Trail to Nevada Falls, into Vernal Falls, and then back down to the valley. Now this is probably going to be one of the longest one-day hikes that we've done. In the past we've done about 10-12 miles, and today I think it's going to be a total of 17 miles. At least that's the length of the loop. Now Crystal says 17 is not much. I mean, we've done 12 before. Well, 17 is 5 more than 12, so we'll see how it goes. So we're starting the 4-mile trail at about 6:50. We were lucky enough to get the last parking space in front of the start of the trail. Man, we barely started. I'm already huffing and puffing. Kiki, how we doing?
Great.
Made it to 1 mile, guys. 1 down, 60 more to go. Knees are feeling good, ankles are feeling strong, tummies are full. I almost. Second mile check-in. Switchbacks are getting steeper, but we're pushing through. We finished the first mile in 29 minutes. Second mile, 35 minutes. A little bit more huff and puff, but really nice views. Not for us night, guys. Mile 3. We got some energy to keep going. Pinches moscos. Mile 3 check-in. The hike definitely gets a lot more steep, but there's a lot more shade. And this is where the mosquitoes really start attacking you. So bring bug spray. I would say these mosquitoes are like the size of the mosquitoes in Jurassic Park. At least the mosquito that they found. Have you guys ever seen that movie? Anyways, let's keep going. Made it to mile 4. Definitely more difficult than mile 3. Mile 2 and mile 1 gets more difficult every mile. But if you've done Upper Yosemite Falls before, I wouldn't say it's that much more difficult. I would say this one's on the moderate side of strenuous. Look at that. The only bad thing about this hike is you have too many good views. All right, so we're at mile 4.8. So we're in Glacier Point, just not at the very point. So I guess not Glacier Point. I think our watch might be off just a tad bit, but last half a mile definitely gets much easier. Just trying to soak it all in. Look at that. Beautiful views, my beautiful wife, the trees, water, squirrels. 5-mile check-in, guys. Look at these views. Look at that. Definitely time for a snack because we hungry. Checking in for the 6-mile mark. Just finished our big time snack up in Glacier Point. We're headed down to Illilouette Falls. And man, look at that. Check out these views. Beautiful. On a side note, restrooms up at Glacier Point, but no water. Gave Crystal a snack. And look at her. It's like I totally knew her. She's in front of me, leading the way. Man, that's why I married her. Or spectacular. Checking in for mile 7. Pretty much started descending from Glacier Point to Illilouette Falls. Now I've been up to Glacier Point many times before when the road is open and there's access to vehicles, but I've never done the Panorama trail, and trust me, it's something you guys need to experience yourself because it's just like no other trail. You get a lot of different views of Half Dome, Vernal Falls, Nevada Falls, Illilouette Falls, the valley, Half Dome, the mountains. Checking in for mile 8. We just passed a beautiful viewpoint in Illilouette Falls. Still descending, feeling good. Right knee's hurting a little bit, but we're pushing through because the views are definitely worth it. If you have any pain or anything, please know your limits. Be safe out there. Checking in for mile 9. Crystal still leading the front. We started ascending, started to get a little warm, but we're pushing through because snacks in the truck await. Checking in on mile 10. I think we're about finished with all the ascending. We're starting to descend into Nevada Falls. Definitely feeling much better. It's a little sunny, it's getting a little warm, but we're just recharged on some drip drop. We usually take liquid IV, but we decided to try this new one and it's pretty good. Some good stuff. You guys should try it out. Mile 11. We're about half a mile away from Nevada Falls, descending from Panorama Trail. Beautiful views, guys. I definitely feel like we're a lot more energized. I think we're always energized on our descents, but pushing through. Mile 12 checking in. We're on our way down from Nevada Falls. The stairs are kicking our butt, but definitely feels a lot better than going up. It's not as strenuous, although it's strenuous on your legs, but it's not as strenuous on the rest of your body. When Crystal's knee begins to hurt, these exercises usually make her feel better and help her push through the hike. Whew. 13-mile check-in, guys. We made it to Vernal Falls. Woo. Look at Crystal's big ass smile. Look at that. Yeah.
Ready to eat.
Let's have some snacks. Pull out some T-bone, some tri-tip, una carnita asada. Time for a snack. Crystal's favorite part of the hike. Now this is what we were waiting for. Refreshing. That's what I was looking forward to the most when we began the hike. It was going to be refreshing after all. All the baby hairs. All the baby hairs. We made it to mile 14, guys. The bridge at the bottom of Vernal Falls. Yeah, Kiki. All right, guys, we made it down. We just hit mile 15. We're down at the bottom of the start of Vernal Falls in this trail. You guys can check out the Merced River on our left. That was definitely a really nice trail. One for the big books for sure. A lot to see. Crystal's still walking, not crawling.
I'm actually very surprised. I honestly, for a minute, I thought I was not going to make it. Mile 2 really kicked my butt. But, hey, we only have like, what, a mile or 2 left to go?
Yeah, just got to get back to the truck. Get the tri-tip, some T-bone, una carnita asada, y a comer. How many miles, Kiki?
16.
16-mile check-in. We're in the Curry Village parking lot looking for our truck. Hopefully it's still there. Whew. 17 miles and the truck is nowhere to be seen.
All trails lied to us.
I think it's about another half a mile to maybe 3/4 of a mile. Just gotta push through because we're hungry. Keep up the high energy, Kiki. Go, 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 Kiki, go, go. After about 18.22 miles, we're back at the starting point. The walk from the bottom of Vernal Falls, the bridge, to the start of the 4 mile, that kicked our butt. That was probably the hardest part of the trail today. It was definitely strenuous walking on the pavement, but overall it was a good day. Definitely was a nice adventure, good trail. We definitely recommend.
I'm glad we did this.
Yeah. You guys have any questions, please ask them down below. Thanks guys, stay safe.
Time to eat our turkey wrap.